mycetoma in an 11-year-old African boy. Case presentation with emphasis on histopathological features and differential diagnosis.
In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Mycetoma is an uncommon chronic infective disease of the skin and subcutaneous tissues, characterized by the triad of tumefaction, graining sinuses, and the presence in the exudate of colonial grains. In cases of long-term disease, the presence of colonial grains, together with the host derivative material, can lead to the formation of real sinuses.
Histological analysis is of fundamental importance to allow an accurate etiological diagnosis and to understand if the basic pathogen is an actinomycete or a real fungus, and is also fundamental for therapy, which is quite different. In summary, for instituting a proper patient treatment plan, accurate identification of the causative organism is vital. For actinomycetoma, different laboratory-based techniques have been developed during recent decades.
These include direct microscopy, cytology, histopathology, and serology. More recently, different molecular techniques and matrix-assisted laser desorption ionization time-of-flight mass spectrometry have been included as diagnostic methods for actinomycetoma.